Good afternoon. Welcome back to Driving and Learning. My name is Oliver Lepke and I help network marketers grow their business. And that's exactly what I want to do today. I want to give you a great tip on how to market your network marketing products on a platform that is called Marketplace or Facebook Marketplace. On this platform, you're going to be able to market your products completely free in your local area, because that's how Facebook Marketplace works. So even if you want to advertise products in the bigger area using Facebook Marketplace, you're not going to be able to do it, because Facebook Marketplace is designed in such a way that would show and promote your products that you're selling, that you're promoting within, I think, 100 or 200 miles radius from the location where you are, and you can promote and market products completely free. So how does it work? Very simple. I will assume that you have your Facebook account, and in that case you would go into a Facebook Marketplace. Either you're using your desktop application or your smartphone. There's a Facebook app. You would download that, and number one, and number two, you would have your account, you would log in, and then there is a button at the bottom in the center. It looks like a store, so you would click on that button, Marketplace, and you would be able to see what other people are selling in your area. You would see all these different items that other people are promoting or offering for sale, so you can contact them and ask them about this product. You can ask if this product is available, if it's for sale, still for sale, how much does it cost, what condition this product is in. So that way you can contact them, ask them, and the person who is promoting, they would respond and answer. And then you would arrange to meet, and you would either pick up that product or that person would deliver it to you, and you would basically buy that product from that person who is selling it. Very simple. It's like a local classifieds on Facebook. Now, Facebook is such a huge community. This is the biggest community ever, like online, that you can find. And it's bigger than any other social platform. Not only that, if you combine all other platforms together, they're not as big as Facebook. So it's very powerful. And the next thing is for you to create an item for sale. You can post products that you may have. For example, if you have skincare products, you can certainly post that. If you have personal care products, you can post that. If you have essential oils, you can post those. So you post a lot of different products, and people will find you, and people will reach out to you, and they will buy products from you. I'm actually listing about 20-30 products all the time. Different things that I have for sale, things that I don't need, and also things that I sell in my network marketing business. And people are continuously reaching out to me, asking about these products, and I continuously sell these products on Facebook Marketplace. Well, the sale doesn't happen on Facebook Marketplace. This actual sale happens in person. So a person would actually contact me, ask about that product, and then they would come to my place, or I would deliver it, or we would meet at a neutral location, and then I would sell them the product. So I wanted to share this with you because I think it's going to be helpful for you. And one important thing that I would like to add is that don't just try it, because if you just try it, you may have a sale, you may not have a sale, the ad may not be good, or who knows. Maybe in your area there's not many people, or not many people interested in that. So what you need to do is simply, like everything else, you need to learn how to do it well, and you will learn it by doing it. So the more ads you post, the better you will understand. And you should also reach out to some other people that are selling some of the products, and you don't have to necessarily buy it, but just to figure out how it works and just to learn the platform. And then post some items and keep posting them. That's the key. If you just post it once, if you're lucky, you may get a sale. But if you want to get a sale for sure, then what you need to do is keep posting it continuously, and I can almost guarantee you will have sales. Simple as that. Because there are people who are always looking for products, and there are always people who are looking for different things. And if you keep selling, and if you keep selling, if you keep listing, you will become better in that. Post few photos, put a price, description, and click on post item for sale. It is that simple. It takes me about 20 seconds to list an item and have it on sale. And in Toronto, there's so many people, there's always somebody who will come across and check it out, and then maybe be interested in my product. And if they're interested, that's wonderful. And if they're not interested, that is wonderful. And I post it again. And I know if I keep posting, I know I'm gonna have sales. That's my lesson for today. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you again in another session of Driving and Learning. Bye-bye.